What's up, my sexy people? Alright, so there's this myth that if you keep your eyes open when you sneeze, then your eyeballs will pop out. So, being my curious self, I had to try it myself. You know, I'm kind of a myth buster. You could call me a myth buster. So let's bust this myth right now. So, alright, I'm going to tickle my nose until I have to sneeze, and I'm going to force my eyes open, and we'll see if they pop out. This is ridiculous. Alright, I'm going to tickle my nose. Oh! 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 Oh my gosh! It's true! Mom! Mommy!
Take a chance. Subscribe.
Don't forget to check me out on Twitter and Facebook.